By 2006, you will reshape creative careers. The artists, designers, and creators who master these 9 essential skills will dominate their industries and earn substantially more than their competitors. Master advanced prompting techniques to generate consistent, high-quality art. Learn to blend styles, control composition, and refine outputs through iterative prompting. This skill separates professionals from casual users and commands premium rates for custom creations. Combine Midjourney, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and Runway seamlessly. Build efficient workflows that save hours per project. Agencies pay top dollar for creators who understand which tool excels for specific tasks and can execute complex visual ideas fast. Raw eye output rarely equals finished work. Master Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and Upscale. The ability to refine, enhance, and integrate AI-generated content into professional productions is a critical money-making skill throughout 2006. Translate client visions into effective prompts. Understand licensing, copyright, and commercial usage rights. Build a portfolio showcasing real-world applications, branding, marketing, product design. These business skills transform hobbyists into 6-figure professionals. Subscribe now and enable notifications. We release weekly creative strategies. Drop a comment, which skill will you master first?